Hello, welcome back to the Low English Dictionary channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. So today's video is going to be involving cooking, and guess who's going to be the cook? Me! So let's start from here.
Okay, so we'll start with a few. Hi guys, I know you. I'm now at the other side of the video, and we'll start by. We want to cook some. What do you want to cook?
Beans.
Okay, she wants to cook some beans. So I'll just give you the names first because we'll be using these names. So tomato is called nyanya. Say nyanya.
Nyanya.
And then kitungu is called. No, onion is called kitungu.
Kitungu.
And then cooking oil is called mo.
Mo.
Sun is called plate.
Plate.
And then carrot is called carrot.
Carrot.
And then beans is called oganda.
Oganda.
Oganda. Okay? So nyanya, kitungu, carrot, oganda. And then we come back here. So Nikki will start by cutting the nyanya. So when you're cutting the nyanya, you say angado nyanya. Say angado nyanya.
Angado nyanya.
Angado nyanya. Say again.
Angado nyanya.
All right. So when you're putting it there, you say aketo nyanya esan.
Aketo nyanya esan.
Okay. Then in that case, angado kitungu.
Angado kitungu.
Angado kitungu.
Angado kitungu.
Aketo kitungu. Where?
Aketo kitungu esan.
Good. So these are beans that she wants to cook. These are boiled beans, and then she wants to fry the beans. Okay. And then now, what's the next? What do you want to do next?
First, we are going to yes.
So this is kendo. This is the fireplace is called kendo. Say kendo.
Kendo.
Tony, say kendo.
Kendo.
Good. And then we'll wait for Nikki to bring the oil, the cooking oil. Usieke mingi, don't put a lot, just a little. Tony, you have to stop so that we can record the video.
Yeah. Okay.
So that is more. So aolo mo.
Aolo mo.
So that means you're pouring in the cooking oil. Aolo mo.
Aolo mo.
So when you switch on the fire, you say amoko match. Okay. Amoko match would be switch on the fire. So in this case, not switch on the fire. You know, like this is a different thing.
Yes.
Yeah, this is a, how you call it? This is a electric. So, but still, it is amoko match. That means you're lighting the fire. Okay, even though it does not have flames. So you put in kitungu. Aketo kitungu. Say aketo kitungu as you put it in.
Aketo kitungu.
You have to say louder. Sure.
Aketo kitungu.
Aketo kitungu.
And then we have to wait.
So you have to wait means arito.
Arito.
Wait is rito. Rito. R-I-T-O. Rito. So you say arito.
Arito.
Good. So we'll give it a while. Nothing?
Not yet.
Not boiling?
Not yet. Oh, it's
You know, when my mom taught me how to cook, she said that you have to mix the oil has to mix with the onions. Like that. Koro, now this means when you want to say the oil is mixing with the onions, you say kitungu riwore gi mo. Say that.
Kitungu riwore gi mo.
So that is it. Kitungu riwore gi mo in this level. So kitungu riwore gi mo, kitungu riwore gi mo, kitungu riwore gi mo, kitungu riwore gi mo. Aloko kitungu. Aloko means I'm turning it up. Aloko kitungu. Okay? Say aloko kitungu.
Aloko kitungu.
Good. So lok kitungu.
Aloko kitungu.
You have to keep saying so that you don't forget.
Aloko kitungu. Aloko kitungu. Aloko kitungu. Aloko kitungu. Aloko kitungu.
Enough. Enough. So you have to wait until it turns brown, okay?
Yeah, golden brown. That's what.
Golden brown. And brown is the color brown is called rabuor.
Rabuor.
Rabuor. Say rabuor.
Rabuor.
So when kitungu turns rabuor, so when the kitungu turns rabuor, then you put in nyanya. Remember the nyanya? Nyanya is tomatoes. Tomato. Is it tomato or tomato?
Tomato.
Tomatoes. Yeah, when the kitungu turns to rabuor, we'll put in the tomatoes.
Is it golden brown?
I don't know. Check. What color is it?
It's almost brown.
Okay. Okay, so you can now put in the nyanya.
Let me get them.
Aketo nyanya.
Aketo nyanya.
Again. You have to say that many times so that you remember.
Aketo nyanya. Aketo nyanya. Aketo nyanya.
Then aloko.
Aloko nyanya. Aloko nyanya. Aloko nyanya.
Now you see, now you have nyanya gi kitungu. So you say aloko nyanya gi kitungu. That means I'm turning the yeah, stirring the whatever. Tomato gi and onion. Aloko nyanya gi kitungu.
Aloko nyanya gi kitungu. Should I add the salt now?
Yeah, salt is called chumbi.
Let me bring it.
Okay, salt is chumbi. Okay. Salt, where's your salt?
I'm bringing it.
Just put it in the camera before you put it. Aketo
chumbi.
Aketo chumbi, okay?
Yes.
Aketo chumbi. Then aketo chumbi.
Aloko chumbi.
Nyanya gi kitungu. Again.
Aloko chumbi gi nyanya gi kitungu.
Correct. Now you begin to get this. Aloko chumbi gi nyanya gi kitungu.
Now we have to wait for the tomatoes
to soften up.
Yes.
Okay, I'm seeing that we are almost ending the first video. Please link up with the second video. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of such videos. The second video is about putting the beans and all the other ingredients into the cooking. And I hope you'll enjoy this show. Remember, it's Luo English Dictionary channel. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. This is good. Today was a good day for cooking. Look at the second part of this video. It's coming out in a while. Alright? Oriti! Say oriti!
Oriti!
Again!
Goodbye! Oriti! Goodbye!